Hello, in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to create a link. I'll also be teaching you how links behave on the web browser. Here are 4 basic behaviors of links. The first one is a column link. This is when the link is not visited. The second one is a column visited. This behavior applies to links when they are visited. We have a column hover. This applies to links when you hover on them. And we have a column active. And this applies to link when you click on them or the moment you click on them. This might not make a lot of sense. Let's go to our code editor and demonstrate how these behaviors can be implemented onto our web browser. Let's get started. We are first of all going to create a link tag, which is a, and then you put href equal to quotation, and inside the code, this is where we're going to specify our actual link. So I'll put https column // and then I'll put the link for Facebook here .com, and then we'll go outside our code and then we'll close our opening, and then we have closing of our a tag, which is link, and then I'll put Facebook. Okay, so Facebook link, so put Facebook there like this. Now let's go to our web browser and then reload this page, and now we have Facebook here. All right, so let's go ahead and apply our CSS to this link. So I'll take you to our code editor, and then we're going to be tagging this a tag, which represents a link. So I'll take you to style.css, and then we're going to be targeting our a. So you put a like this, and then you can give your link attributes. So the very first thing I'll be doing here is to give it text decoration none. So text decoration none. Now let me explain the meaning of this. Now when I take you to the web browser, you can see our link has or is underlined. Okay, so what text decoration none does is that it removes this underline. I will reload this page. You can see the underline is gone. Okay, now it looks neat. All right, so now let's go ahead and then apply our behaviors to our link. So I'll write another a, which represents link, our link, and then I'll put column, and then I'll add link. Okay, so this is the purest stage of our link, and then we'll come down this way, and inside here we're going to give it a color for our link, our default link. So we're going to give it color. So when you reload this page, when you reload our web page, what do you want your link color to be? So we want it to be something like blue, this way. Good. So I'll take you to web browser, and already the link is blue. Okay, good. Let's apply our second behavior. So I'll put a, which represents link, column, and then I'll put visit. This applies to links that are visited. So I'll give it color of something like red. When this link is visited, we want the color of the link or the text to change from blue to red. So I'll take it to the browser, and then I'll simply click on our link, and this link will take us to Facebook directly. Okay, and as you can see, the link is taking us to Facebook. Now let's go back to our link. So simply click here to go back like this. Okay, so now because we have visited the link, you can see the color of the link has changed to red. Okay, let's go back, and then we come down and add our third behavior to our link. So on hover this way, and we want to add or give our link a green color whenever it is hovered on. So I'll give it green like this. Now let's go to our web browser, reload this page. Now let's hover on it. You can see when we hover on the link, it changes from the red or our blue, which is our default color, depending on the stage of the link, to green. Okay, now let's talk about the final behavior of our links, which is, so I'll come down and then I'll put link, which is A, and then I'll put active, and this behavior applies to our link the moment we click on it. So give it and then yellow like this. Good. So we'll go to our web browser and then reboot. Now when you hover on it, it will change to green, and when you click on it, you can see it has turned to yellow. Whenever the link is clicked, it is activated, and then the color turns yellow like this. See that? Okay,